In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the page option on your computer and how to set up the essentials, your page name, category, and bio. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without any stress. Start by opening Facebook on your PC or laptop and make sure you're signed in to the account that will manage the page. Look toward the top right of the screen for the menu button. Depending on your layout, it may look like a grid of 9 dots or appear as a menu label. Click it, and a drop-down or panel will open with a variety of shortcuts and tools. In that menu, look for the option labeled Page. Sometimes it may say Pages or appear under a Create section, but the wording you want is Page. Click that to begin the setup. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar within Facebook and type Pages, then choose the option to create a new page. This keeps everything within Facebook's official flow and ensures you're starting in the right place. Now you're on the creation screen. Begin with your page name. Choose a name that clearly reflects your business, brand, community, or project. Keep it recognizable and consistent with any other platforms you use so people can easily find you. Avoid special characters or overly long phrases that might be confusing. Next, select a category. Pick the one that best matches what you do. It helps Facebook show your page to the right audience and unlocks relevant features. If you're unsure, start with the most accurate option. You can refine it later, then write your bio. This is your quick intro, so keep it short, specific, and helpful. In a sentence or two, explain who you are, what you offer, and what someone can expect from your page. Use plain language and include key terms people might search for, but avoid all caps or buzzwords that don't add real meaning. As you type, look at the preview on the right to see how your page will appear. Make small tweaks until everything feels polished and easy to understand. When your name, category, and bio look good, review everything one more time and confirm to create the page. That's it. You've set up the core of your Facebook page. From here, you can continue customizing it later with visuals and additional details, but the foundation is in place. To recap, open Facebook on your computer, go to the menu and select page, then add your page name, choose the right category, and write a clear bio. You're ready to share your presence with the world.